In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 120 FPS on Fortnite Mobile using Pixel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Fortnite Mobile but you don't have the 120 FPS option unlocked, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. To do this, you will need to use Pixel. So the very first thing that you have to do is install Fortnite through Pixel. If you downloaded Fortnite elsewhere, this will not work. So for this first step, uninstall the game. This will only be needed if you download Fortnite outside of Pixel. You have to download Fortnite using Pixel. So after you uninstall it, open Pixel and you will be able to download it again. As you can see, it is going to be available in there and you will have the option to install it using Pixel. This is very important, like I said before. So after you are done uninstalling it, if you acquired Fortnite elsewhere and then re-downloading it from Pixel, you will need one more tool. Inside of Pixel, you will find VoidFX. This is going to be the tool that allows us to customize the FPS and use 120, alongside plenty of other settings related to Fortnite Mobile. So after you download Fortnite from Pixel, download VoidFX. Now, before going inside of Fortnite, go into VoidFX, and in here, under the graphics category, you will be able to change everything. So tap on any of these and you will be able to customize the FPS between values like 60, 90, 120, and so on. You will have the option to show the FPS, illumination quality, anti-aliasing, and the resolution. If you want to achieve the maximum FPS possible, you have to lower some of these graphical settings like the resolution, anti-aliasing, illumination quality, and so on. By lowering them, your phone will be able to achieve higher frame rates in Fortnite. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 120 FPS on Fortnite Mobile Pixel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.